Yo guys, it's Gap and Golly back here today with another Animal Jam video. Okay, sorry, I'm really sick right now. But I am still doing the daily upload grind. So today I'm doing tips and tricks for Forgotten Desert. As you can see, I'm playing it right now. But you already know that. Anyways, so yeah, the first tip is don't get the purples. It's just a waste of time, and honestly, you don't get that good results from it. Like, you technically, like, every time I've done purple, which I've done a lot of with my friends, we've only gotten, like, pirate swords and just crappy stuff like that. So, yeah. Another tip and trick is, don't go to Alden when you host Forgotten Desert, just because it's like the best place to just to get people to join you, but the people there are just like, oh, they're just gonna sit back and let you do all the work. I've known from experience, so just a helpful tip. A lot of people would disagree with me, but that's what I see with it in Alden. So just my recommendation, don't go there to host Forgotten Desert adventures. Another tip is, people say, oh, don't open the ground chest. A lot of people do this. Sorry guys. A lot of people go, oh, don't open the ground chest. It's gonna, quote, quote, make our prizes bad or something like that. But that's actually, honestly, not true. If anything, it kind of helps them. Like, a lot of people would disagree with me, but you can get, like, rare spikes from the ground chests. I have before, so just, that's my advice. Don't push people to tell you not to get the ground chests, or to get the ground chests, but also don't have anybody say, oh, don't get the ground chests if you want to get the ground chests. You can get really good stuff from the ground chests, actually. Another tip is I find it helpful for me when I'm lagging, take all your items off, just because it makes the lag go away. So I'm not lagging very bad right now, so I wouldn't take my clothes off, the items that I'm wearing off. Oh yeah, look how hot this look is. Just look how hot that is. Anyways, so yeah, that was another tip and trick, more like. Also, if someone, so don't be that type of person where they're like, oh, come on, do the purple with me, please. I mean, yeah, they want to do the purple. If you don't want to do purple, don't join. Just for me, when I host, like, if someone leaves at the beginning, which is really annoying, I feel like everybody's like, oh, that person left, I should probably leave too. And then everybody leaves, and then, so just get used to trying to do the adventure alone, or doing the adventure alone, because sometimes you will have to do it alone. If you want to do it and nobody else wants to, or they just leave in the middle of it. Sorry. So that is helpful for me. So I basically know the map with the back of my hand, basically. But it's like, if I did it alone, I could accomplish it in maybe 4 minutes. But that's only the green and yellow. If I did all of them despite purple, because I don't like purple, it just takes too long. It takes the whole 16 minutes. But I'd say if I did all of them but purple by myself, I'd at least get them all within 10 minutes. So, yeah. I know one of my friends, she did purple, or not purple, she did green, yellow, blue, and silver with her friends, and they only did it since everybody was like, oh, I'll be right back, quote, quote. They were leaving her, so she was the only one doing it, so she only had like a minute left or something like that, 10 seconds maybe. But that I felt bad for her, but she told me, and I'm like, oh no, I wasn't on AJ, and I felt so bad for her. Anyways, so yeah. Anyways, sorry guys. I know a lot of you disliked no purple. Sorry. I know a lot of you disliked my Be Careful video that I did yesterday. That was just because there's a sickness going around right now, at least where I am, so I just wanted to have you guys just be careful, get your sleep, and all that. But I really want you guys to like be healthy, because I know how it feels when you have a cold and it just won't go away, because I have it right now. I did do a short stream earlier, so I haven't done a stream in a while. It's just been tough time right now. But I'm not abandoning you guys. I love you guys. You guys are nice. You're fun to hang out with on AJ. Sorry guys, my throat is really dry. Oh my god. Anyways, so that was just a few tips and tricks for the Forgotten Desert. I will be doing tips and tricks for other adventures. Tomorrow's vid is going to be on tips and tricks for the Bunny Burrow adventure, because a lot of people want to know, oh my god, Galloping, because like I know most of my friends too. They're like, oh my god, Galloping, how do you get such good items from Bunny Burrow? I'm just going to tell you right now, I do it a lot. I use one animal and I do it a lot of times, over and over in hard mode. But I'll explain more on that in tomorrow's vid of for our Bunny Burrow. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you have a great day, great weekend. I will try to stream tomorrow. Depends on how I'm feeling. So yeah. Bye guys.